Leave me alone. I want to be free from being told how to live my life by rules, regulations, laws, bylaws, loopholes, rat holes, and assholes. Let me be free to make the decisions that best serve me. Who died and left you in control of my life anyway? Every day I had to plan my day around your life, the way you see fit to participate, with no regards on how it affects the masses. We just count our losses. I want to be free from all the politics. This is supposed to be a free land. Why is it that I feel oppressed, controlled, like my life don't matter? The I's have been dotted and the T's have been crossed. They inform me of changes as a formality, because no matter how I cry out for justice, you say this is common practice. Rise up, my people, and follow NHLM so we can all have the last word. Peace. Thank you.